Good medical morning. This is Watson, and it is April Fool's Day. In honor of April Fool's Day, we're going to look at the best special effects, Photoshop, and altogether fake pops of 2019. Are you ready? Let's kick it off right about now. As we start with some real pimple pops, go ahead and click the subscribe button so the Blackhead King and I can bring you new pimple popping videos several times a week. First, we have these incredible do-it-yourself nail pimples. We'll have more about them in a moment. Kudos to Natasha Lee, who made this art. Stick around for more. Sihan Alarshi put together this cool special effect with Hollywood makeup. This gives the appearance of holes on the bottom of the foot. What's the name of that fear of holes again? Comment below. Here is a similar effect made with Vaseline and scar wax. Credit goes to McLaren Uita. I hope I said that right. Now is a hot mess of cyst cupcakes by Twister Foods. Mmm. And as promised, here is a bit more from our nail pimples. Now let's check out some pimple popper tools, and I'll close out with some of my favorite Photoshops. Enjoy! Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.